Hello, welcome to our video. Today we're going to be talking about mixtures and pure substances. A mixture is a substance made up of two or more different types of matter that are physically combined but are not chemically combined. This means that the different types of matter in a mixture can be separated by physical means, such as filtration, evaporation, or distillation. There are two main types of mixtures: heterogeneous mixtures and homogeneous mixtures. A heterogeneous mixture is a mixture in which the different types of matter are not evenly distributed. For example, a salad is a heterogeneous mixture because the different types of vegetables and other ingredients are not evenly distributed throughout the salad. A homogeneous mixture is a mixture in which the different types of matter are evenly distributed. For example, air is a homogeneous mixture because the different gases that make up air are evenly distributed throughout the air. A solution is a special type of homogeneous mixture in which one substance is dissolved in another substance. For example, salt water is a solution because the salt is dissolved in the water. A pure substance is a substance that's made up of only one type of matter. Pure substances can either be elements or compounds. An element is a pure substance that cannot be broken down into simpler substances by chemical means. For example, gold, pictured here, is an element. A compound, on the other hand, is a pure substance that is made up of two or more different elements that are chemically combined in a fixed ratio. There is only one type of matter in the compound water. For example, water is a compound because it's always made up of only two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. So, to recap, a mixture is a substance made up of two or more different types of matter that are physically combined but not chemically combined. A pure substance is a substance that is made up of only one type of matter. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.